It's the beginning of the week and we're doing another 10-minute guided declutter together. I will bring the motivation. What I want you to bring are the usual supplies, 3 bags or boxes for your put away items, for your giveaway items, and for any recycling that we might find along the way. And also, if it's been a while since you've decluttered in this area, you might want to bring a rag or a duster. Anyway, let's dive in and see what we can find. Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, and welcome back to my cozy minimalist home here in Copenhagen. I'm a routines coach and I'm helping you this year to simplify and to thrive. On Mondays, we do a 10-minute declutter together. On Wednesdays, we do a 10-minute clean together. And on Fridays, we kind of round off the week with some hygge planning. We do a Q&A session, and also I give you some self-care missions. Today, we are working in Flylady Zone 5, which is the living room, the den. You don't have to work in this area, but I do ask that you work along with me. Maybe you want to watch the video first and then rewatch and work along. The main thing is that you're getting up off your buhuki, because otherwise nothing is going to change. And we're just looking at one shelf or one drawer. Okay, so even if you don't want to do it, we're only doing 10 minutes. Right, I'm going to look through the bottom drawer. And in here, this is a chest that we got from my dearly departed Danish father-in-law. And I actually opened this drawer at the weekend because the kids came for dinner. Our kids are 21 and 24. They came around for dinner. It was really nice. But I spotted a few things. I thought, you know what, it's been a while since I've gone through this drawer. There may be things I can let go of. So here I've got cloth napkins. I've stopped buying paper serviettes. I stopped doing that, 2-3 years ago now. I've still got some paper serviettes, but just kind of using them up. And these ones, now this goes with a tablecloth that I used at the weekend, which is now in the wash. And that will keep, this was actually a tablecloth that I got from a dearly departed Danish mother-in-law. It must be like 25 years ago. And it's just a really nice one, nice colours. So that's a keeper. And that's the thing I always say that I love about the Flylady system, because we keep just circling through the zones and it just makes us aware of what we've got, because even if you've got space to keep things, it doesn't mean that you have to hold on to them. You know, things have a kind of an expiry date. You've seen that, you know, with shoes. You may have space for them. If you're not using them, please pass them on to somebody else, because hands up, I'm not the only one who this has happened to. Kept shoes and then the rubber sole has disintegrated, you know, and you're kind of halfway down the garden path and half your shoe is missing. Right, on this one, this is a tablecloth that I made from IKEA fabric. Do you remember that? I've shown you it before. And we have used it, but I think now I've got enough. I've got enough tablecloths that are really nice that I like. So this one, the tablecloth and the serviettes that I made, those can go straight into my giveaway box. And I know a lot of you have asked about those baskets behind me. They were ones that were in the Flylady shop many years ago. I got them from Marla, Flylady. I was a premium mentor. But actually, they're very flimsy. I wouldn't recommend that type of thing. And you do not need to have a special basket or box to declutter, okay? Just, you don't even have to write on them, but if it helps you, fair dues to you. Right, so that's going in the box as giveaway, because we have another swap party coming up. I know every time I say swap party, take a shot. This one, this tablecloth, this is staying. The white ones are staying. This one, you've seen it many times before. We got it for our wedding 25 years ago. The other tablecloth from our wedding 25 years ago, remember I decluttered that recently, it was all stained, couldn't be salvaged. This one has got it's embroidered, it's got a special embroidery through it of the Hans Christian Andersen fairy tales. And that's always fun when when we have visitors. So that one is staying, that one's not too stained yet. But you know, all those stains, it shows you that the tablecloth has been well used, well loved. My yellow one, I use this a lot for Easter. That's coming to the top of the pile. I always like to set a nice Easter table. And then I've got this one, with the little hearts, which I have used at Christmas, but hold on, keep. I think that gets to stay for now. Oh, and then I've got a couple of Easter ones here. And this is a runner. Actually, no, I don't need the runner. That can go. And this is a really good time. You saw me decluttering, going through my Easter decorations and Easter decor. A really good time to do it now because the charity shops don't want it in the summer. They want your Easter stuff now, or your spring decor that you don't want. This little one, it is very kitsch. So that means it's staying. No, actually, quite often I take this one, you know, when we're with, when I'm at Blue Tits, my chill swimmers group, when it's Easter and we bring Easter stuff, or if I'm down swimming with my besties, Vipik and Helena. So that one can be kept. Okay, these ones are going back. And next in here, I have a box where I keep, and I just use old boxes to keep things contained. It's, you know, if you've got very deep drawers, you can really maximize the height in your drawers by using boxes. And also it stops things rolling around. Actually, all of these candles are kept, so those are fine. And in here, these are my LED candles that we use, you know, for the Lucia procession when me and my besties are doing it on the bathing bridge. So these are battery operated, so those are being kept. Oh, actually, the box for it, that can actually go. I don't know why I've held on to that. So that's paper recycling, plastic. I answered your questions. Friday's video about recycling here in Copenhagen, what we recycle. Okay, this was a candle holder and I had a glass part in the middle, and then that part broke, and then I was using it, but actually I think I can let that go now. Metal recycling, woo! Okay, that can go. And these ones, these can stay. Oh, and that's why I said bring a duster, because if you're doing books in this area, maybe you've had to dust them off. Right, woo, I'm pretty pleased with that. What are you finding to give away? Have you got items that just need to be put away somewhere else? Just a wee reminder that when we finish the declutter of 10 minutes, you take your bags or boxes and you put away items in the rooms that they need to go into. If you have any donations or giveaways, maybe they're going into the car, mine are going to the next swap party. And any recycling or rubbish, deal with that. And a wee update, because last time we were in this area, I had some DVDs that I was going to let go of. And just to give you an update on what happened to those. So it was a box set of Marx Brothers films. And I've decided that in the end, the only one that I'm keeping is A Night at Casablanca. So all those, woohoo, can go into my donations box as well. Yay! And we'll definitely be looking at the DVDs another time, because I'm thinking a lot of these actually belong to my kids. Anyway, but not for today. And also I just wanted to say a really big thank you to everybody who has been sharing my videos in decluttering groups and hygge groups. It's really helping me, because I'm hoping to get 100,000 subscribers. And you know, I don't do any sponsored content. I don't put annoying ads in the middle of my videos, so we can just work together, focus for the 10 minutes. And I'm seeing a lot of new subscribers through you sharing my stuff. So big thank you for that. Anyway, now I need to dust myself off. Did you get dusty today? Woohoo! And when will I see you again? See you back here on Wednesday when we'll be doing a 10-minute guided clean. So live long and prosper. May the 10-minute decluttering hygge be with you. And I'll see you on Wednesday with a wrap. Okay, bye for now.